First, open Start and click on the setting. Click on System. Select your sound. Select your audio device. Press Troubleshoot. Now, select speaker or headset. Press Next. Press Yes. Select Preview. When you select this preview, you will hear some sounds. You need to play around with these settings until you hear some sounds. Press OK. Now, your driver should be updated. If that didn't work, go to your search box here, type on Control Panel, select your Control Panel. Now, select Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Go to your headset. Select and right-click. Select the properties. Now, go to Advanced tab. At this setting, you need to change the bitrate to CD or DVD quality, or change it until you hearing some sounds. And use this button to test. If you hear the sounds come out, so your headphone should be good. And then press Apply and OK. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Device Manager. Select Device Manager. Now, expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Here, expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Right-click your audio device. Select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Now wait your audio device to be updated. Now, your driver should be updated. If that didn't work, select your audio device, select Update Driver, and Browse my computer for driver software. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And select Realtek High Definitions. Press Next. Now wait your driver to be installed. And then your Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close all and press Restart. If that didn't work, go to your search box and type Device Manager. Select Device Manager. Again, open your sound, video and game controller. Select your audio, Realtek High Definition Audio. Right click and select Uninstall Device. Then the pop-up message will be you are about to uninstall this device from your system. Select Uninstall. Now, after your device uninstalled, you need to be restart to finish the installation progress. Go to your start and restart. If that didn't work, go to your search box and type control panel. Select control panel. Click on hardware and sound. Go to sounds. Select your headset earphone. Right click and go to the properties. Now go to enhancements tab. Select and tick disable all enhancements. Then use this button to preview. If you hear some sounds, and then your headphone should be good. Press apply